it. It doesn't bend. There has to be another screw somewhere. So I found this one down here. See if I can get the light in, but somewhere in the bottom, somewhere around there, there's a screw we had to take out so we can free this one. So the trick is you just wiggle it a little bit. If it's too hard, if it's not coming out easily, try to find whatever is holding it. Usually it's just a screw somewhere. So I found this one. Let's go ahead and take it out and see if that will come out easily. Now let's give it a try. Let's wiggle it again and see what happens. Hopefully there's no other screw to take out. It's free, right? It's kind of like hard on this side. So let's see what's holding it. All the other parts is free. You just gotta find, there's a screw somewhere around here, or clip. One of those might be holding it. So let's go ahead and look for it. So I figured I was stuck on this part, and there's one more screw there that we gotta take out. Just this screw. Give it another read. There's a tiny screw hidden here that we need to take out. We needed to take out. That was what was stocking up this whole area. So once that is done, you can see that it's free. So let's try to bring out the entire side. Yeah. Upon bringing out the side panel, the work we were doing today was because this motor, there was no tension on the cutter blade, and I had to stick a piece of plastic there to hold it, to tensionalize the cutter blade. So to tensionize the cutter belt. So now, after taking out, you can see that there's a spring that fell off of that. So we need to find a way to put this spring back, and I think that would solve the problem of the motor. So from the way this looks, it looks like this hooks up to this, and the other hand hooks up to that plastic part. And this is the motor we're trying to work on. So let's try to put this back in its place and remove the plastic. For this, we probably would need a nose plier, a pointed head plier, to pull this in. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult. So we're trying to reach there and pull it in place. But Can you see clearly? So we're trying to put it in there and then pull it through to hang it on this, to clip it here. I would need a nose plier. Let me see if I have one. So I managed to find a way to clip it in there, and then all I did was to hook up my tiny screwdriver and pull it in to get it in here, and now we have a tension. So let's take our clip out and check out the tension. And you can see there's tension on the belt, and that's what we want. There's tension on the belt. That's what we want. So the motor is in place. When you pull it, you can see it can slide in. You push it there and back. The tension is in place. So work complete. Now we got to put everything back together the way it was. And that solves that problem. Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, no problem. So to run you through what we did, we located all the top screws. Some of them are hidden. The first one was the one here, the ones on this side, and there were a few on this side of the printer, 2 on this other side by the roller, and total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total of 9 screws needed to be taken out for you to take the side panel out. And then after that, we went to the motor. We noticed that the spring that tensionalizes the quarter belt or quarter blade belt, that was off, so we had to replace that. And now we have tension on the belts, and now it's moment of truth. We got to test the printer itself. So we have the side cover back in place. Now it's time to replace all the screws.